Right, I have steamed my Chinese sausage, lap chong, for about 15 minutes. It should be done by now. Now we can go and prepare our, ooh, nice. Now we can prepare our lap chong fan. Can you all see?
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. It's Chinese New Year. Now Appa is going to teach you a very simple lap mei fan. Yeah, lap mei fan. Lap mei basically means waxed meat. So you can basically use any kind of waxed meat you can to your own preference. No right or wrong. So I'll be using the waxed meat that my family like to eat. A lot of things, a lot of waxed meat actually my family doesn't like to eat. Things like the waxed duck, yeah, those are too salty for them. So, and waxed pork belly, that one is too fatty for them. So I'm just going to use two things here today. Number one is the usual Chinese sausage, but this is actually flavored by this is the rice wine flavored Chinese sausage, yeah? So, and then I'm going to use some, this is bak kwa, yeah, lou gan, yeah, dried meat. So these two, my family don't mind eating. So I'll be using these two. And just now, I already steamed the Chinese sausage for about 15 minutes until it is fully cooked. Then I have pre-cooked 2 cups, pre-cooked rice, yeah. I have some spring onion for garnishing towards the end. And this is something special that I'm going to use today to make my job easier. Actually, this I pre-made this ginger paste a couple of days ago to steam my as a dipping sauce for my free-range chicken. So I will try to edit that part of the video into this particular video to show you how you can prepare a very aromatic ginger paste yourself. Then I'm going to use some dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and some garlic oil. So first I'm going to give it some oil here. I'll be putting a little bit more oil today because I'm making a ginger paste, because I'm using it as a dipping sauce rather than steaming sauce. If you're making a dipping sauce, you put more oil. If you're making a steaming sauce, you put more water, okay? I don't mind putting in the ginger paste first. You don't really have to cook the ginger paste much, seriously. Look at it. It already have very beautiful flavor. Since I'll be making ginger paste dipping sauce instead, let me add a little bit more oil. Just use medium fire to do this, yeah? Medium temperature. Look at the beautiful consistency right now. The water just now has been evaporated, yeah? No need to be too hot. Let me adjust the angle again. Alright. Yep, better. Now we're just going to give it some seasoning. Let me tune down the fire. One small teaspoon of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, made out of 100% natural ingredient. Yeah. Going to give it a little bit of fine salt, a little bit of sugar, and a little bit of my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Mix it. Almost done. Spring onion. Actually I don't need white pepper lah. Alright, done. Look at how creamy it becomes. I did not add water, yeah? If you want to steam the chicken with it, you add water. Actually, if you have extra of this tomorrow, the next day, you can actually even add some water and use it to steam fish or steam spirits. You can do, you can use it for a lot of other options, yeah? Let me try to get it out. Get a small saucer pan. Look at how creamy it is. See? Very, very creamy. This is how the restaurant does it. Beautiful ginger paste, dipping sauce. Alright, and all we need to do right now, I have some extra actually. I'll leave it for something else tomorrow. I'll probably add some water to it. So first of all, you want to serve in a clay pot if you have it. So this is a clay pot, and you cannot use induction hob or with a clay pot. My induction hob actually got two. One is on the left hand side is actually the induction. The right hand side is actually what we call the normal ceramic hob. So I can use this on the normal ceramic hob. First thing, we need to put some garlic oil at the bottom. Let me spread it out. While we are heating up the clay pot, we can actually put in the rice, the pre-cooked rice. Pre-cook this a couple of hours before. So for sure, we want to char the bottom of the rice a little bit. Yeah? Right, before we continue, I will quickly go and slice out the wax meat, yeah, which is the Chinese sausage and also the bak kwa, very quickly. Not sure if you can hear the sizzling sound. It is started to char the bottom. Now I can actually put in the wax meat, the bak kwa, and also the lap cheong. Can arrange it a little bit. I'm using a low fire right now, okay? First of all, give it 2-3 rounds of light soy sauce. Premium light soy sauce, okay? Now we'll give it some dark soy sauce here. This is more for the color. All right. Then I have my ginger paste. I'm sure you have never seen this way of making lap mei fan before, but let me tell you, after you mix up everything, it's going to taste heavenly. You just have to spend a little bit of time to make this ginger paste here. See, this ginger paste is, you can use this anywhere. Chicken, fish, pork ribs, everything. And I'm going to sprinkle some spring onion on top. Almost done. I'm going to close this and cook it for about 5 minutes, then it is done. See how simple it is, and I assure you it's going to taste really good. Now if your wax meat is all salted type, then you may want to put in some sweetened dark soy sauce, okay? My wax meat today is all sweetened type, so I don't put in any sweetened dark soy sauce. So this is after about 5 minutes cooking the whole clay pot under medium low heat. Yeah? Don't put too high heat on this. Everything inside is already cooked. Yeah? You just want to heat it up and char the bottom. Let's see what we have gotten. Oh, oh, I can smell the char at the bottom right now. Let me off the fire. Oh, actually, ceramic hob, even after you off the fire, the heat will still be there. Probably I want to move it away from the heat. Let me tell you, it is super fragrant right now. See how simple it is to make this lap mei fan. For those who love salted fish like Appa, you can put some salted fish in the middle and steam it to cook it together just now, right? My family don't eat salted fish. I'm the only one who loves salted fish, so I probably will take a bit of salted fish and eat it aside by myself. But anyway, oh, we can actually top it up with some few dashes of white pepper. Done. Easy, right? To make a beautiful lap mei fan during Chinese New Year or any time of the year. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.